Hello nursery and welcome to another part of our math session this week. As we're looking at transport and travel and the environment, I thought we'd find a different way of counting out how many and recording the amount. So I've set up a little grid here and I have sent some of these home with you on the PowerPoint and the home learning pack. So I've just drawn out a quick grid. I've got a bike, a car, a lorry, this one's Tesco, so it's delivering all the food to the shop, and then the big red bus. We have got 4 types of transport. Now I want to see if you can have a go at counting how many. Now you can either ask people in your home or your family and your relatives what they like the best. Do they like driving on a bike, or do they like the car? Do they like lorries? Or do they like buses? Or have a go at sitting out by your window or on your walk and counting how many of each you see go by. So if I was walking out and I was going around Wadhurst, I might sit on a little bench made by the fire station and I could count how many of these transport I would see. Every time I see one, I would do a line, because that means one. You can carry on doing all the lines, however many, or if you want a challenge, I want to see you count them out, and every time you get to 5, you put a line across it. So you'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 makes the gate across. You have a go at recording it like this, or just every time you see one, write the line. So I'm sitting and I can look out my window. I've just seen a car. One car. Now from where I live, there's always lots and lots of bikes going past. And they're often together. How many bikes have I just seen? 1, 2, 3 bikes just driven past my window. And we can keep watching. There's another bike. And another bike. It's busy for bikes around here. And I've just seen a car pull up next door, so there is another car. Spend some time looking and seeing what goes past where you are and counting how many. Shall we count how many bikes I've seen for this video? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes. So I'm just going to write the number 5 so I can see that. Can we count how many cars? 1, 2. So I'm just going to write the 2 next to it. How many lorries did I see? None. How many buses have I seen? None. So now I've recorded how many of these different modes of transport I have seen out of my window. Which one is the most popular by Mrs. French's house? What do you see the most out of Mrs. French's window? How would I work that out? You want to look for the biggest number that tells you the biggest amount of bikes, cars, lorries or buses. So at the moment, we see a lot of cyclists, a lot of bike riders going past Mrs. French's window. See how many you can see going past your place, or when you're out on a walk. See how many different modes of transport we can spot. Have fun transport spotting, and I will look forward to seeing all your recording grids soon. Have fun and enjoy.